John en Lisa, terwyl julle julle nuwe reis saam begin, wens ek julle albei die mees prettige lewe toe. 'n Lewe waar julle mekaar elke dag meer liefhet, nooit ophou verken nie en altyd nuwe opwindende maniere vind om die spaak aan die brand te hou. Mag julle altyd onthou om te compromise, om verskoning te vra, dit af te lag en mekaar se behoeftes te prioritiseer. Julle het dit tot hier gemaak, daar is geen twyfel dat julle bestem was om saam te wees nie.
We are gathered here together to witness John and Lisa in the joining of two lives together in marriage. No. Ooh, they're in a hurry. I give you my hand,
Give you my hand,
my heart, and my love
and my love.
from this day forward,
From this day forward,
for as long
for as long
as we both shall live.
both of it.
Give you this ring
As a sign of our marriage,
as a sign of our marriage.
with my body,
With my body,
I honor you.
I honor you.
All that I am,
All that I am,
I give to you.
I give to you.
All that I have,
All that I have,
I share with you.
I share with you.
Daar sê. Nee, nog nie. I now pronounce you to be husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
Choose us every time. We were California dreaming.
John, jy moet nou eerlik wees. Het jy al vandag vir Lisa gesê sy lyk pragtig? Lisa, jy lyk beautiful, my skat. Jy moet iets sê. Wat het ek gesê moet jy sê?
Jy lyk baie pragtig.
Nee, ek lyk nie pragtig nie. Sê my vrou lyk pragtig.
My vrou, jy lyk pragtig.
Say it, to say I do. Every time. I will carry you home, whether it's tonight or 55 years down the road.